Hello kabayan! In the mood ka ba na gumawa ng sushi rice tuna pero walang time gumawa ng traditional sushi? Well, ito yung gawin natin. First, we need sushi rice, rinse and cook according to the package instruction. While rice is cooking, chop 4 large garlic cloves, oil pan with some olive oil and sesame oil, about 1 tablespoon each. Tapos, roast na natin yung garlic, drain excess oil and set aside. In a small bowl, paghalu-haluin natin yung white wine vinegar, sugar, salt, and a pinch of ground black pepper. At para mas malasa, let's add sweet rice seasoning. We will be using century canned tuna for this recipe or any kind of tuna na meron kayo. Use a strainer kasi yung tuna meat lang ang kailangan natin. Once your rice is cooked, ilagay na natin sa isang malaking bowl. Next, we'll add our seasoning, tuna, and roasted garlic. Siyempre, hindi makukumplete yung sushi rice natin kung walang roasted seaweed. Nasa sa inyo na kung gaano karami yung roasted seaweed na gusto nyo. Crush seaweeds into small pieces. We'll also add some fresh chopped parsley and green onions. Mix them all together. You can now oil and brush your loaf pan dish, add rice and gently press to form a compact cake, then transfer into a big dish. Cut into big bite-sized pieces. Bago i-serve, sprinkle some more of that roasted garlic and your no big sushi rice tuna is ready to enjoy. Tara, kain tayo!